Right, with the BSA burbling away and doing its job, it's time to get the daily driver indoors for its first strip down in 5 years. Reason being, swing arm bearing shot, black smoke pouring out of rear cylinder. Both swing arms a definite engine out job. Rear cylinder, well, you can get that rocker box off. I've done it. But you end up with gasket sealant everywhere except the mating surfaces. It's a real twat. So it'll be an absolute pleasure to do it with it out of the frame. So it's a lot of mucking around for head bearings, swing arm bearings, which do need doing, and that smoky thing. So I'm going to make it more interesting. I'm going to strip it completely, and the frame's going to go off to be powder coated. There's a company in Grimsby that do it. While that's away, I'll repair the head, whatever's going on with the back cylinder, and also everything, all the cycle parts that are currently sat in black are going to be that army green olive drab, fitting with the rest of it. I can't visualize it, but I think it'll look okay. Cheery bye.